Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index. On my chart, I have volatility 75 index 1 minute time frame, and I have 4 windows. I have the main window. This is my main window. This is my main window. I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. And I have indicator window 3. This is indicator window 3. Now, the way this strategy works is on the main window. Let's take a look at the settings first. I have fractals. Fractals is for identifying the point of price rejection. When the fractal arrow points upwards, that indicates that price is rejected at the top and price may fall or drop. But if the fractal arrow is pointing downwards, that means price is rejected at the bottom and the price may go up. So fractal is basically for highlighting point of support or resistance, as the case may be. Now, the second indicator on the main chart is moving average. The period is 40. The shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. And the style is black. Style color is black. The second moving average is 38 period. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close and the color is purple. While the third moving average is 200. The period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close and the color is blue. And the fourth moving average on the main chart is the period is 25. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to close and the color is red. While the fifth moving average is period is 40. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close and the color of the moving average is green. And the final moving average on the main chart, period is 20. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to close and the color is orange. So if we go to the main chart, we have the two orange colored lines. Then we have the black, the green, and the purple lines. Okay, now the way this strategy works is let's look at what's happening now. The way the strategy works is if the two orange lines, these are the two orange lines. These two orange lines, if they cross above the black, green, and purple lines, then you have your buy. Like you have a buy situation here. You can see price continues to go up. All right. More so, a trend change occurs when the orange lines and the green, black, and purple lines, when they both cross the blue line. The blue line is the 200 moving average. When they both cross, then the trend changes to bullish trend. But when they cross down, changes to bearish trend. So don't forget, the signal itself is when the orange lines, the red and the orange line, cross above the green, black, and purple lines for you to have buy signal. When they cross below, you have sell signal. Let's look at where we have a sell signal. Like there's a sell signal here. This is a sell signal. There's another sell signal. This is another sell signal. All right. Okay. This is another one. This is another sell signal. Okay. This is a buy signal. This is a buy signal. All right. We have a sell signal here. This is a sell signal. Okay. Now this is a buy signal. Now this is a sell signal. This is another sell signal. This is a buy signal. But this is a sell signal. This is a buy signal. Okay. This is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. While this is a buy signal. Okay. So for the trend change, like this is a change to bearish trend. When the two when all lines cross below the blue line, you have a change to bearish. Okay, we're still in a bearish. Okay, when all line crosses above, like you have a cross above here, it's changed to bullish trend. Okay, when all line crosses below, like you have around here, it's a change to bearish trend. Okay, like this is a change to bullish trend. Okay, this is a change to bearish. All right. Okay, and this is a change to bullish. All right, so it's important you know the trend first before you place your trade. Are you in a bullish trend? Look for buy trades. Are you in a bearish trend? Look for sell trades. Okay, let's look at the indicator settings for indicator window 1 before we look at how it works. We have MACD and moving average. The MACD settings, the fast EMA is 5, the slow EMA is 18, MACD SMA is 5. Apply to close. The main style color is green and the signal style color is black, and the levels 0 level color is black. So if apart from the MACD, on the indicator window we have moving average. 1 period shift is 0, method is linear weight. Apply to previous indicators data, and the color is red. So for how it works when the red and black lines, when they cross above the zero level, you have your buy. Cross below, you have sell. Cross above, you have buy. Cross below, sell, time to sell. Above, time to buy. Below, trying to sell. Okay, so that's basically like you have a sell, time to sell here. All right, well, this is a time to buy. Okay, it's also a time to sell. All right, well, this is a time to buy. Okay, all right, so this is a time to buy as well. The time to buy, while this is a time to sell. So that's how it works. That's how you use indicator window 1 indicators. Okay, let's look at indicator window 2. Okay, for indicator window 2, we have just average directional movement index. Okay, and the settings, the parameters, we have 14 period. The ADX parameters period is 14. Now the color of the star is red. Now you change the color of the plus D, plus and minus D. You change the color to match the background color of the chart. Then for the levels, you have 26, 25, and the color is black. So let's go to the chart. Now the way it works is when the red line is above the 26, 25 levels, you get ready to trade, whether you are buying or selling. Like you have it above here, you can place your trade, you can buy or you can sell. Like this scenario, you buy. Okay, you buy. All right, so but when it is below, let's look for a scenario where it is below. Okay, like it is below here, you stay out of action, stay action, do not buy, you do not sell. Okay, like it is wavering around here, do not buy, you do not sell. But when it goes down and now come up, okay, let's look for a scenario. Okay, like goes down and comes up around here, like what we have around here. Do you look for either buy or sell opportunity? Like for this particular area, it's a buy opportunity. Okay, like we have another one here. This is a buy opportunity on other indicator windows. Okay, like we have around here. What opportunity do we have here? The sell opportunity. Okay, we have sell opportunity. All right, like around here you stay action because ADX is the XDX line is below the 25, 26. For as soon as the ADX line comes into the 25, 26 levels like you have around here, as it enters into the two levels, you go up, you look at other indicators, what is happening at that point, what's happening at that point in time, and then you place your trade. Like you have a buy at that point in time, I have a buy, so I have a buy here. All right. So this is another scenario. What happens? You have a sell. Sell just happened around here. And you also have a sell on the main chart. Okay. So that's basically how to use it. Like around here, you stay action, stay action, stay action, stay action. Since most part of the line, the line is below the 25-26 level. Stay action. But as it comes up, like you have it coming up around here. You have it coming up around here for you to place trade. Okay. Then you look at what is happening in other indicators. You have a sell. Then you have a sell. Okay. So you can place your trade. All right. Like you have another crossing here into the 25-26 level around here. So what's happening here? You have a sell. And you are currently in a sell. You are currently working with a sell signal, and the trend is already bearish since your blue line is above the other lines. So that's basically how you use indicator window 2. Okay, now for indicator window 3, let's look at the settings. You have stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator, the parameters are percentage K period is 1, percentage D period is 1, the slowing factor is 1, the price field is close on close, the method is exponential. Now the main star color will match the background color as well as the signal star color. But let's look at the levels. We have 20 and we have 80. Okay. Now let's go to the next indicator on indicator window 3. We have Ichimoku. The parameters for the Ichimoku, we have Tenkan Sen is the factor is 8. Parameter for Kinjun Sen is 8. Then the parameter for Senko span B is 52. While the Tenkan Sen star color will match the background color of the chart, same as the Kinjun Sen color and the Chuko span color. But the up Kumo and the down Kumo colors will be navy blue. All right. Then the last indicator on indicator window 3, we have moving average. The parameters, we have the period is 1, shift is 0, method is linear weights. Now you apply it to weighted close, and the color is red. Now let's look at how you make use of indicators on the indicator window 3. Now when the red line crosses above the Ichimoku, you have your buy signal. All right. When it crosses below the Ichimoku, you have your sell. Okay. When it crosses above, buy, crosses below, sell. Like you have a buy here, and you have a sell here. Okay. You have another buy here. Okay. You have a buy here. Okay. You have a sell here. All right. I have another sell. Okay. I have a buy here. All right. So that's basically how to use the indicators on indicator window 3. Now, the alignment of signals on indicator on the main window, indicator window 1 and indicator window 3 should give you your signal if you are to buy or you are to sell. Okay, but don't forget indicator window 2 is to guide you when you are to stay action if the line is below the 25, 26 levels, stay action. But if it is above, then you can either buy or sell depending on what the alignment of all signals tells you. But if it is below, like you have here, stay action, because that's when it will range. Okay, but if it is above, you buy or you sell. Okay, so that's basically how the strategy works. Okay, make sure you backtest. Try to backtest a new strategy. Backtest a new strategy. Check it with history. Okay, make sure you perfect this skill on how to use strategy on demo account before going to live account. Don't rush to live account with a new strategy. Okay, so that's that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get to see our videos. Click the subscription button. You can share the video, share the link to your friends, to your groups, your social media groups, so that your friends can get to learn the strategy. Also click on the like button and make comments below the video. Ask questions if you are not clear with any part of the video, like the zoom level. The zoom level can be zoom 2 or 3. 1, 2 or 3 should be okay. Okay, 1, 2 or 3, like this is the 1 level, 2, 3. It's okay. All right, so you can use it on any time frame. Like this 1 minute, you can use it on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes, let's look at how we can use it. All right, on 5 minutes, you can see this is your signal. What trend are we? We are in a bearish trend since the blue line is above. We're in a bearish trend as the blue line is above. Okay, but it's like we're having a reversal. But this is a buy signal. Okay, this is a buy signal in a bearish trend. But it didn't last and the trend continues. Okay, this is another buy signal in a bearish trend. The buy signal did not last, but the trend continues as soon as we have the sell signal. This 5 minutes time frame. Right now, this is sell signal and also a trend change. Okay, trend change as in the red. All lines cross down on the blue line. So you have your trend change. Okay, this is buy signal in a bullish trend since the blue line is below. The blue line is below this time around. Okay, so it's a trend change to bullish trend. Okay, now this is a buy signal in a bearish trend as the blue line is above. Whenever the blue line is above all other lines, you are in a bearish trend. Well, if the blue line is below, you are in a bullish trend. Okay, so that's how you use the main chart. We are still on 5 minutes time frame, and this is your buy signal, this is your sell signal. Okay, so buy signal, while this is a sell signal. Okay, so for indicator window 2, when you have a crossing into the 25, 26 level, cross above, you can start to place your trade. When the red line crosses above into this region, you can place your trade. But when it is in this region, expect consolidation, stay out. When it is below, stay out. Like you can see the consolidation that happened just above it. Look at in this area, consolidation range. So that's why you stay out, okay? Because the red line is below the 25, 26 level. But when it is above, you can place whether you are buying or selling. As it is above here, you can see what happened on the main charts. You have a trend, bullish trend development. Price went up. Okay, in as much as it is above. Then on indicator window 3, as the red line crosses above the Ichimoku, you have your buy. If it crosses below, you have your sell. Okay, like you have a cross below here, you have your sell. You have your cross above here, you have your buy. So that's that for the strategy. It's a good strategy. Make sure you backtest and try it on a demo account. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to make comment below the video. If you like it, say you like it. If you have questions, state it below the video. Then also there's a bell button below the video. Click on that bell button